Good morning, everyone. This is Miss Meltzer here to show you how to use Sway for your projects. You're going to log into BCPS1 and you're going to click on Instructional Tools. Once you're on the Instructional Tools screen, you're going to click on Microsoft Online. Sway is a Microsoft product and you will see it as one of the options from this screen. So I'm going to click right over here. The first one in the second row is called Sway. Sway is a type of presentation tool that makes your presentations a little bit more interactive and user-friendly than, say, PowerPoint. So you might get some updates when you first log in. I'm getting a screen that's telling me what's new to the program, how to print a Sway presentation, how to export it to a PDF or a Word document, how to brand your Sway with, say, colors and designs that you want to continually use, and what's new to the horizontal layout. So I'm just going to click on OK. This is going to be a basic tutorial for Sway, so we're just going to go over the minimum, not really any of the elaborate tricks with Sway. So to create a Sway presentation, you are going to click on Create New. You can also look for Sways that have already been made on a particular topic, but for this class, I believe you're going to be creating your own Sway, so we're going to do that. So you can title your Sway. So if it's for, say, a Spanish class, we could say Spanish. Maybe you're going to be sharing on a trip that you took, and you're going to be sharing about that, and maybe I shouldn't call it Spanish trip. Maybe it was a trip to a Spanish-speaking country, or but again, we're just using an example. So now you have a title for your Sway. You're going to build your presentation through cards. The card I'm hovering over right now is a text card, so you could just type in any text that you want. Let's say I went to Cuba last month. Okay, now let's say that you would like to change the font. If you want to make it bold, you're just going to hover over, you're going to click on your text and then click on the bold E, which would make it bold. If you would like it to be maybe not bold but italicized, you can click on the A. They have it A as, I think, for accent. And again, if you would like to bullet, you can just click on bullet. Let's say you did like 3 things. So you can say I swam, I ate, I hiked. So if you wanted those bulleted, you could just click on the bullet to explain some things that way. Okay, so let's add a new card. So you're just going to click on the plus sign, or actually I believe that would be to insert content into that card. So if I wanted to add a picture, then I would click on that plus sign and click on the image. What's really nice about Sway, you can see that it has already given me some pictures that pertain to Cuba based on the title of my presentation. So I have a picture of Fidel Castro, a Spanish, which they call football game, the city of Cuba, but let's say I want a picture of someone swimming. So you can do an actual search for images within Sway. Since it's a Microsoft product, I believe that they're using Bing to go out into the web and search these pictures. I'm going to use this one because this is the most like relaxing picture, and my swimming in Cuba was relaxing. So I'm going to add that. Now, as a media specialist, I need to remind you that what do you do anytime you take content from the web? You need to give credit to the author or the creator of that intellectual property. So we've added a picture I was relaxed when I swam. Okay, so we added a caption. With Sway, you actually don't need to add in normally we would say photo attribution and then list the website where it came from. We would say www. whatever and give the website where it came from. But I'm going to go up top and go to play. This is going to show me what my presentation looks like so far. And you can see it looks, right now I can scroll down, it almost looks like a web page. So I have my Spanish trip, I have my bulleted statements of the activities I did, I even have my picture with the caption, and I would give the photo attribution. But look what happens when I click on the picture. You can't see this, unfortunately, because it's outside of my recording window. I'm going to try to expand it. Maybe you can see it now, but it says wikipedia.org. So it's actually built into the picture, and if I click on it's hyperlinked, it actually takes me to the source where my picture came from. So whoever is reading your Sway presentation, they have a hyperlink to go directly to the source. And therefore, you really, if it's okay with your teacher, could possibly skip the citation part of the pictures in your presentation.